There are 20 words on a spelling quiz. The quiz results for 4 students are given below. Darren spells 17 words correctly. Sophia spells 3/4 of the words correctly. Yashi spells 80% of the words correctly. Joaquin spells 0.75 of the words correctly. Which student spells the most words correctly? The easiest way to compare all of these scores is to turn all of them into percents. So Darren spelling 17 out of the 20 words correctly gets an 85%. Sophia spells 3/4 of the words correctly, so that is a 75%. Yashi's score is already in percent form. And to turn Joaquin's score into a percent, we get 75%. Looking at our percents, the highest percent is 85%. 85% means Darren spells the most words correctly.